What's up, guys? I'm checking out Nature's Divine. This one's titled Success, requested by Bishop Ford. Big shout out to you. Haven't heard this one before, never heard anything from Nature's Divine, but I mean, just looking at this album cover, I can just tell this is going to be a really nice track. Got the classic 70s hand-drawn album cover here. It look like, okay, it's like set in a prehistoric era. Got the dinosaurs in there, and then the microphone is like this giant stone monument sort of thing. Okay, it's pretty cool. But yeah, I think that being said, I don't think we're gonna find a whole lot of information on Nature's Divine, if I'm being honest. Like I can just tell, I feel like, they were more of a underground, if you know, you know type of group. But let me see. Nature's Divine group. Excuse me. Yeah, not a whole lot. I mean, we got this like overview right here, this AI overview. We could go through this, I guess. It says that Nature's Divine, prominently a 70s Detroit soul/funk band, known for the hit "I Just Can't Control Myself." Okay, let's see the other ones. Released one album in the beginning. Remains popular with deep soul fans. Yeah, seems that way. Like this is more of like a if you know, you know type of group. Okay, from Detroit. And this is a single from 1980. Interesting. Okay, but yeah, I think that being said, we go ahead and check this one out. Success. Let's go.
You said you loved me and that you'd wait for my return, but you ran out on me.
Classic.
We planned a long time that in the end I'd be yours and you'd be mine. Success would shine for success. Sometimes you can't have the rest, that's the test. All I can say is give it your best for success. No time to regress. All you have time to do is check you. We shared a fantasy game. One day riches and fame was ours to share. The future none would dare. Our love began to fall when I had to answer my call to do my share. We were halfway there for success. Hey, sometimes you can't have the rest, that's the test. All I can say is give it your best for success. No time to regress. All you have time to do is check you.
Success. Really good song. Success is nothing. What is the success is nothing without a woman you love to share with. Billy D. Williams, Mahogany. But yeah, that was a really good song. Super buttery smooth, bruh. Buttery smooth. But at the same time, it also had like a bit of a bounce to it as well. It wasn't like a pure like laid back type of song, but it was very smooth. And yeah, I really enjoyed that one. Success by Nature's Divine. It was really nice track. Um, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed that one as well from them, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.